Hey guys, I am just walking to my room. I'm gonna let you guys decide. Oh, I hit my head on the top of the thing. But so okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna be filming a photo. Well, not really. I'm gonna be like making up like a little, what do you call it? A series. I don't know what it's gonna be about though, but you guys get to decide if you want to make a series about, like, if you want the characters to be toys or if you want the characters to be stuffed animals. It's your choice. Oh guys, look at this. Got a little Lego table. Woo woo! Wait, did you guys see that? Wait, I'm gonna. Okay, let me see. Hold up. Yeah, you guys can see it. Okay, sorry. But yeah. And my stuffed animal pile's over there. It's really awkward. But yeah, you guys get to decide. And whichever one has the most votes, or if only one person comments, I'm gonna be doing a look-in on. Wait, what's today? Today's Monday. So when I get my report card, which is Wednesday, I'm going to see the comments, and whichever one has the most votes will win. Bye.